Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be putting a whole nother cover on the shop. You're probably wondering why I'm putting a whole nother cover on the shop. Well, the last one kind of ripped, and from what you can see, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, as you can see, the last one kind of ripped up in the middle, and I've only had a daggum shop for, I'll say, 6 months. February. I had it since February, and it's July. And it kind of ripped. So I sent in an email to them saying that it's ripped up and everything, and they sent me a whole nother daggum kit. Yeah, they sent me the front, the back, and the top. I got a whole nother daggum shop cover. Only thing I'm missing is the bars, and I'll have a whole nother shop. That is crazy. I thought they was just gonna send me the cover, but nah, they sent me the whole daggum thing. Thanks, Jeff, up at Shelter Logics, which I'm gonna put down in the description the link to this shop if any of y'all want it, because I've been having a bunch of people ask me where I've got it or how much it was and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down in the link below where I got it, down to the part number and everything, website and all. I got it from Shelter Logics, so if y'all want to know, it's down in the description below. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to get this top on, because I got stuff I got to do, and I'm not doing it out in the hot. No, not this big boy. Nope. So let's go ahead and get at it. So what you want to do now is take one of these poles that goes into the side, tie it right here, and then wrap it around right there, and then wrap it back and tie it to itself. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the axis, as you can see, and toss it over, then go on the other side and pull this side over. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Now what you want to do is take and put it into another strap holder, loop it through tight enough, and crank it down just a little bit. Just keep it loose. Do that on all 4 sides. Then after that, you want to take these poles right here, and there's a part right here in the middle. You want to keep that part open. There's a long part that you slide the pole through. After you do that, you take these clamps and you put them through, but keep them loose. Keep those clamps loose. You want to do that on both sides. And what you want to do is when you get them all buttoned up and everything, you got to center the top of this, and the best way you can center it is by these right here. You got those 2 little bullet hole things right there. See right there? That's the best way to line this up. So you want to get all these little clamps situated, then you want to go and twist and pull and twist and pull and twist and pull. And once all said and done, you tighten down one side, you come over to the other one, and then you push down on it and you tighten the rest away. So we're gonna do that in yard. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that. And as you can tell, I am straight up sweating, boy. Woo. Good Lord. And there it is, all back up, every single bit of it. It's all back up. No holes, no nothing. No holes. That's not, that's where it needs to be. See? And, yep. Go ahead and show y'all the outside. Yeah, I'm sweating like a son of a gun. Straight up sweating. But as y'all can see, it's all back together. Good old shop. Again, best dang money I ever spent. But remember, go to shelterlogics.com. It's in the link below, all the way down to the link to where I bought it from, the category and all. And remember, have at it.